48 minutes. At this time, we'll reach a cruising altitude of 16,000 feet. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts securely fastened, your seat back straight table in upright unlocked position. As Bahamasair considers your safety most important, we would like your attention for the following safety demonstration. Your seatbelt has been designed for easy operation. Insert the flap metal tab into the buckle to fasten. Tighten by pulling the strap. Lift the flap on the buckle to release. Oxygen mask is located in the panel above your head. If and when needed, a mask like this will appear in front of you. You gently pull the mask, place it over your nose and mouth, and you breathe normally. The action of pulling the mask releases the flow of oxygen to get the mask in place with this strap. Parents traveling with small children or persons needing assistance should don the mask to themselves first and then to the child. Your life jacket is located in the pocket beneath your seat. Your flight attendant, she's holding a similar one. Hold the jacket like this, place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, connect at the front end and tighten it at the waist. To inflate the jacket, pull sharply down on these two red tabs. Another means of inflation is by blowing into the tubes. The jacket is equipped with a battery-operated light and a whistle for attracting attention. This aircraft is equipped with 4 emergency exits. Please note, 2 windows at the front, 2 doors at the rear. Along the floor of the cabin is the emergency path lighting system. This will illuminate in the event of a smoke-filled cabin. In the seat pockets in front of you are safety cards describing the important safety features of this aircraft. Please study them carefully. In the bottom of your head is your flight attendant call light. If there's anything we can do to make this flight more enjoyable, please do not hesitate to call. Once again, welcome aboard and enjoy the shuttle flight with us. Thank you.